What's going on, boaters? We are on a used 2020 Premier 290 Grandview. This boat has so much room on it. Let's check it out. You have your nice couch up front with your bow filler couch as well. You also have extended couch to the back here. You have your two chairs up front with a table with cup holders so you can have your drinks and snacks out all day long. You're gonna have a little sink area along with a fridge and a paper towel holder. This boat also does have your vertical lift cooler right in here. So with a touch of a button, that just comes up out of the floor. Nice and easy to keep that out of the way. Since this is a Grandview, you're gonna have your upper deck area with your 3 chairs and a powered bimini on this boat. You have your nice big Simrad touchscreen display along with your JL audio control here. This boat has 301 hours on it. If you want to see more on it, you're going to want to come check it out at MarineMax Crosslake or visit it on our website. Let's get you this boat for summer.